Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Parshvika. Welcome to another video and welcome to Global Magazine paid channel where we make content about artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, first of all, I want to tell you Merry Christmas. Have an amazing Christmas and a prosperous Happy New Year. Hopefully this 2022 will be an amazing year and it will going to open all the windows for you for which you are waiting for so long. And I'm wearing this cap guys because I really love this Santa cap, and I feel like this kind of like just correlate with this video of the Christmas, because this video is, I'm not going to talk about the Christmas in this video, but I think that it's the time for the Christmas and I really love this cap and I want to just have it on my head, so that's why I'm placing it over here. But again, let's talk about today's video. And today we will going to plan together for a 2022 and also for the January as being an online entrepreneur, as being a creative person making money with a print on demand, with a ZAZZLE, with Creative Fabrica, KDP, or whatever goals you have. We will going to set our goals, we will going to plan it accordingly, and we will going to dive into it. Now this is the favorite part of my thing because I love planning and researching a lot guys. I do really love a lot, and I feel like when I'm doing these things I feel expansion, and that's what you need to do a lot of the times to actually test whether you enjoy that particular thing or not. But let's dive in with today's video guys. Before going past, consider clicking the like button guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon so whenever we upload new videos you'll be get notified about it. Also we have a lot of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. You can simply click on the link and you can download it. You can subscribe to our email newsletter. It's 100% free. Right now we have put on waitlist. Once we get started with that, we will going to send exclusive content regarding making money online. The link is in the description box below. So first of all guys, have an amazing Christmas and have a prosperous New Year. Merry Christmas. Yay. Okay, let's talk about the planning stuff guys, because I am also about to plan for my 2022 with you guys, and I'm going to be putting some things into perspective, which I think that I learned from my own experience so far being an online entrepreneur and making money and all those kind of stuff. So let's dive in with the planning stuff guys. Now for today's planning, I have the two of these options with me. One is my planner, my journal, which I do in my diary, in my notebook. Another one I came across recently, a new application, that is a Notion template. Like you can Google it for more details. I came across recently and I feel like they have so many templates for you to actually plan and do all those kind of stuff. They were focusing more kind of like a school work. If you want to do your homework or you want to plan your school days or something like that, you can still use that. And also it's for the business people, for an entrepreneur who want to actually build the goals for their own life, for their business and all those kind of stuff. So whatever it is, if you are a mobile person and you want to just type in your mobile, then you can make sure use the Notion application, the Notion template. And if you are a person like me who love to write it onto the piece of paper, then you can very well go with that. Whatever best suits to you. Pick my diary guys. I'm going to be writing some things in the diary. And then I'm going to be also using the Notion template application, and if you guys don't know about it, I'm going to also show you how to use it. Like they have the premium plans as well and free plans as well, like, but if you can get started with a very free plan, yeah? Like in the beginning you don't need a paid one. I am also not using a paid one guys. I just came across recently with that application. I feel like it's amazing to plan for business person, for an entrepreneur, for your print on demand shop or Creative Fabrica shop, whatever it is guys, you can plan in that application for free. I'm using a free version, so I'm very well recommending the free version only. And also guys, this video is not sponsored by the Notion template. I'm just sharing based on my own experience with that application. And yeah, so let's first plan with guys. Now first of all, the few things I want to do over here is the reflecting back on the 2021. We can write all the achievements onto the piece of paper that we did in the back in the 2021. Now I'm not talking about the big achievements over here guys. I'm not telling that you made thousands of dollars in the print on demand business. That's only the achievement you want to write over here. No, even if you're started with your print on demand journey, even if you open up a shop, that is also an achievement, because 90% of the people don't really take an action. So you have took that action, and you started with the Redbubble shop or ZAZZLE shop, whatever it is. So that is an achievement. So you need to list down each and everything regarding your business, your personal life, your relationship life. If you're dating someone, you can write that as thing as well, because we need to have a relationship as well along with our life. So you can write whatever things you have achieved in the 2021 that you think is an amazing for you to bring towards your goal and dreams. We are not just talking about the business goals over here or career goals. We are also talking about the relationship, family, social goals, personal goals, and in general every goals that you want to have as being a human as being a human being. So you can write it down all the things you have achieved. So that is the first thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna write it down, whatever things that I'm really grateful for. That I'm gonna write it down, each and everything over here, guys. I'm not gonna read it loud because it's a secret for me, and also you don't need to read it loud for other people. If you are entering in a new relationship, then and you don't want to share it with other people, then obviously you can keep it private. So you don't need to share these things with you. The next thing you can do is you can write all the things that you are grateful for in the 2021 that happened with me. The first thing I could very well write is that I am still alive, and I'm so grateful for that. 2020 and 2021 was really a pandemic time. Still the pandemic is there, it's not gone completely. With the Omicron new virus, so we can say that we are still alive, we're still breathing, and you watching this video, I mean, you are still alive and you're still healthy. So that's an amazing, we need to be grateful for that thing. We have to be grateful for everything, guys, because that's the only the way to have a good life, and I personally experienced that for my life as well. So that is the first thing that I wanted to be grateful for. That the second thing I'm going to be grateful that every people in my family, every people that I love are safe and they are doing amazing and they are having a healthy life. Nothing has happened to me, because I remember that few of the people in my far relatives were not there, and that's not, I mean, that's not good with their family members that happened to them. So I'm grateful for that all the family members and everyone is alive and everyone is doing amazing. They are healthy. Beautiful sun that is there in the window, because right now it's a winter season, and in the winter I do love sun a lot, and when the sun is not there I feel like lazy and lousy. So I'm extremely grateful for this beautiful sun, the beautiful sunshine that comes each day in my window, and that just wakes me up in the morning. So I'm extremely grateful for that. You can write it down, whatever you feel grateful for, that whatever season you are in, whether it's a winter, snow season, or summer season, whatever it is, depending on your country. Then I can be grateful for all the business things that I did in my life back in the 2021. So the second thing you need to do, that is a gratitude. The first thing we did is about reflecting on 2021. The second thing we did is about actually being grateful for all the things that happened back in the 2021, and still you can see that in the present situation you can be grateful for all the things. Now I need to focus on the 2022. What are the things that I want to achieve? What are the goals that I want to accomplish? And I really want to talk over here about having a realistic goals. Now some people do have kind of like unrealistic goals, as I was having for a very long time. Like back in the 2020, when I was setting the goals for the 2021, I set some goals that wasn't really realistic, and I didn't actually achieve them because that was too far and I wasn't really realistic at that time. So I set right now the realistic goals, and that is the number one thing. Write it down, all the things that you want to achieve, be it you're opening up your print-on-demand shop, making your first dollar, making your first $100, first $1,000, making multiple $1,000 each month from your print-on-demand shop, whatever it is, just write it down, guys. It depends. Bigger goals into small baby goals that you can do on a daily basis, on a weekly basis. So what you can do, if you have a bigger goal of making $1,000 in your print-on-demand shop, and right now you're making $100 each month in your print-on-demand shop, so that is still a big goals from $100 to $1,000. So you can break it down, like you can take in the month one, I'm going to be reaching to $200, then the month two, I'm going to be reaching $300, and so on and so forth, along with reaching to the $1,000. The last step that you could do with this planning is the action step. Once you have broken down all your goals, now you need to write all the possible action steps that is coming in your mind. Of course, some of the action steps you don't know right now, some of the things you might don't know, like if you would be baby steps towards reaching to your goal, just write it down, and what you're gonna do on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, because you really need to be precise with that. Like if you want to open up a shop and start uploading 10 designs each day in your Redbubble shop, and right now you're uploading one design, so you need to set a goal to upload 10 designs each day. So now you feel like uploading 10 designs a day is a big deal for you. Then what you can do, you can start with uploading 1 design, 2 design, 3 design, and you can increasing so on and reach towards your goal. So I'm just giving you a few examples over here, guys. Obviously it will going to vary according to your situation and the possible action steps, because you might not know the exact clear action steps right now because you don't know about it. You are still looking for that, you're still researching about that. So you could write the possible action steps, like I want to do a research about this particular topic, or I want to find out this particular thing, or I want to contact this particular person for this particular knowledge. Like you could write whatever it is and you can do the planning stuff. So these are the 4 steps that you can do to plan for your 2022. Now let me show you the Notion template, guys. I'm going to be sharing a screen with you with my mobile application that I have on my phone. So basically, you guys can see here on the screen, I'm sharing the screen of the Notion application. You can see you just need to log into this, download the application on your app store, whether it's in iTunes or whether it's a Google Play Store. Once you download it, you're allowed to sign in. You can sign in using your email ID, or you can directly sign it with the Google as well, or do whatever you want to. Then proceed with further into it. You are giving the different kinds of the options over here, that you can even go with the paid plan, free plan. You just need to go with the free plan. Then on the left hand side, you're going to see a bunch of the different options over here. That is the option relating to the reading list, the task list. You can add a new page, you can enter a custom home. You can see a lot of the different stuffs over here on the left hand side of the three arrows you can see. Then you can select whatever. I'm going to select and show you how to write in your general about the planning stuff. Then just click over to the general and you're going to see a fresh new page where you can start writing the things you want to write. You can also use the pre-made template that Notion has, but I'm writing it from scratch to show you guys how to do it. So just write your heading. I have written 2022 planning. Then proceed further. You can write add the mention stuff over here. Then you can write the extra comment over here as well. I have written that's the important. The another thing you want to proceed over here is that you can write whatever you want to write, and you can see a bunch of the different options over here. You can upload an image, you can use the bold, Italian, underline text. You can see a lot of the different options that the Notion has when you're typing in the template, when you're typing in your stuff. Once you're done with that, then you can either share it with the other people as well. You can either share it on the web, you can use the download it, and you can even take a screenshot of it if you want to save it on your mobile phone when you're not having internet connection. Like, you can do the bunch of the stuffs over here. So this is an amazing Notion template application that I find for helping us to actually plan the stuff, for write the things, for write the to-do list and all those kind of stuff. So you can check out this application. I'm going to leave the link of this application in the description box below. You can check it out. It's not an affiliate link, guys. It's just a normal link I'm sharing, and I'm not sponsored to talk about this particular thing. But I see that this application is quite simple and quite easy to get started with that. I came across quite few of the application, but I found that this mobile application for planning and for task and to-do list is quite simple and quite easy. You enjoyed today's video about planning the 2022 with the Notion template as well, with on the general diary as well. You can go forward with these 4 tips to plan your 2022. Let me know your own thoughts and views regarding your own planning of the 2022 in the comment section below. Have you ever heard about the Notion? Are you gonna use it? Let me know what you think about this new application which I came across recently, if you have any experience with that. And also let me know, are you planning for 2022? Have you planned it, or you're still looking forward to? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below, guys. And once again, guys, have an amazing Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Enjoy your holidays. Happy holidays. I'm gonna see you in the next video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.